What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have another bird feeder. You guys, y'all know we go bird feeder crazy on this channel. Y'all know we like to buy special bird feeders, you guys, not just a regular bird feeder. I have been reviewing squirrel proof bird feeders for a little while now. Do I dislike squirrels? No, I actually feed the squirrels as well. So I feed most of the animals in the backyard, you guys. So we have fun with that. We have a little hook right here. And unboxing of bird feeders, it's not too special, you guys. It's a bird feeder. This is my second brown bird feeder. This seems pretty cool though. Seems well constructed. What is this? It seems aluminum. Seems like aluminum. All right. You have this brown. Okay, this is supposed to be a bird. I was trying to figure out what the heck this is, but okay, so you have like a little bird decor right here. So you just pull it up. Pull it up. We're gonna take this protection off because it's not gonna be protected no more once the squirrels get their hands on it. The squirrels will scratch up our feeders and then it may rust depending on the metal. This is like a hex right here. And then you have that part right there. These do fold down. So that's pretty cool, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. That is innovative. This is innovative right here. All right, and they are on by springs. I was ready to say strings. So there you go. This is cool, and it retracts back pretty strong. Yes, it says gently squeeze the logo. So all I'm doing is squeezing just like this. When you squeeze, you can lift up, and then you could go down. And then when you go down, it's hard. It's definitely hard to lift up. The squirrels in my backyard, they are clever, okay? They're clever. They will figure out a way to get into this top. But we will see. We are going to have our action camera out there. The action camera I will be using is the Ace Pro, okay? I will use my Ace Pro action camera, and we will get some good footage. It is cold outside, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead, fill up my feeders, post the camera, and come back right back in the house. It is cold, you guys. It's so cold. Wintertime, the birds chow down, you guys. All right, so that will be it.